Rectifier WMI certificate. Moreover, Marshall has received more recognition, such as National High-Tech Enterprise, famous brand enterprises in China, famous brand products in Guangdong Province, China's export brand name enterprises, and China Product and Service Credit Golden Enterprise. Moreover, Marshall is also recognized as Zhaoqing Electric Vehicle Engineering Technology Research Center and Guangdong Electric Vehicle Engineering Technology Research Center. Marshall also obtained the recognition from customers. U.S. Tomberlin granted Marshall Strong Life Support Award. Diaoyutai State Hotel sent us acknowledgement for the good performance of our product in various important occasions. What's more, Marshall is dedicated to social contributions such as donation on education and help people who suffered in disaster or earthquake. Service.
Injection material for PP plastic, and this shape can suitable for the golf course to change the raining. So when you drive the car, the raining will be changed from the top to the floor.
And service.
Now we come to see the dashboard and the brake.
Are Marshall's profound features.
Here in this model,
that Marshall
the dashboard is PP plastic, and this is molded. Very simple, especially if you are playing the golf course. If you are the playing golf course golfer, you will like this kind of simple dashboard. This dashboard very simple, just initial key, and the bottom is for the forward and reverse direction bottom, and this is the golf cap.
At the same time,
now this is the standard, our standard seat. The standard seat now we are using this normal leather, but the cushion is very big, so suitable for different size people. And now the same on this car. And now this is the golf bag holder. The golf bag holder can carry 10-inch golf bag and with a mantle basket. So it is easy for golf player to carry something on the golf course. Now we can see the standard our accessory is a side mirror with the rear mirror. The side mirror, you drive the car, can see the left side and right side, and the rear mirror is bigger size, very suitable for the golf player. And this is our two-seat. We have extended series from 4-seater, 8-seater. Maximum is 8-seater, 4-seater, 6-seater, 8-seater. And now we come to the electric component. Electric component now, we are using the Leoch band battery. This is our HM. And another equipment is, this is the charger, the converter, and the controller. We all use the international brand, the famous high quality in the industry model. For example, this is controller. This model we're using the Curtis brand, Curtis controller, and the charger is onboard charger. So wherever you go, you can use the cable to plug in. And the converter is 30 amp, so it's suitable for different purpose for the people. And now, this is the braking. We go to the braking. The braking standard is like this one. It's accelerator and the braking pedal. The braking pedal with the parking function together. So when you're parking, you just press this one, and when you're braking, it press this one. And this is the whole feature. Have an idea. Now we want to use the another wing. This is this
Marshall
model. The rim is the aluminum rim. Aluminum rim is very shiny. So it's
it is made with the latest
optional
technical
for
design.
you. But standard we use the 8-inch steel rim. 8-inch steel rim. And normally we supply the rim cover for the people, rim cover. So when you take this one, you can put this rim cover to make this rim elegant.
To ergonomics principles,
now,
the driver's
we can introduce you when the people want to buy this car, on
reasonable
the
location
public
for
road,
battery,
or one day
motor,
want to just
controller,
buy
and
a
etc.
personal
Easier
golf
to maintain,
transportation
comfortable
car.
driving
Now
experience,
we can
and the simple and safe
customize
operation
this
will make
model.
your work
Customize
handy.
this model, how to customize this windshield. We are using the PP plastic, but also we can install a DOT glass, so it is suitable and very safety when the people driving the car. And when you especially want to equip this model to be a low-speed vehicle, we can upgrade to the safety belt. The brake, we use the hydraulic brake. Normally, this standard brake is rear mechanical drum brake. And when you optimize to be a personal driving vehicle, you can upgrade to hydraulic brake. Hydraulic brake, you can have a hand brake as the option. Also, you can have a EM brake for the parking. Now, after this all configuration, you can have a suitable personal driving vehicle and also have a golf car for the golf player. And the next thing, we will introduce you a lifted car. The lifted car will be suitable for driving on a farm, and it can also, in the Western country, the people with a big size, they can also use this vehicle to be driven in their utility, in their community, to be a utility car. So now we introduce you the lifted car. This is our lifted car model. Lifted car model, we can see this is a very high ground clearance, and we are decorate this model use very customized, elegant seat. So now it's the diamond pattern. You can customize to be a line pattern or even have your own logo on the seat. And this lifted car, some people also can use in the rough road condition. In the rough road condition, you can, this area, the front basket, you can put some goods on the front basket. Also, you can put some goods on our standard rear cargo. This rear cargo, we can put some goods. The goods carry capacity around 170 kilometers. And this lifted car, the standard rim is 10-inch steel rim, and now this model we upgrade it to be aluminum rim, and the tire is Terry tire, so suitable, as I say, suitable ride on the farm, and also suitable drive on the rough road condition, and even we can upgrade this to be a bigger size, 12-inch aluminum rim, 12-inch. And even if you want to drive in a community, we can upgrade to a street legal plan tire. This model, the standard is a with light system. So everybody can see this is a two bigger light here. And the same, this is also based on the golf car platform. The difference is the chassis is a little higher. So the basic function, for example, the flip-flop windshield also can have the flip-flop windshield, and the PP plastic roof, PP plastic front hood and the rear body. And this makes the car be lighter and not easily broken. Now we come to the dashboard. Dashboard is like you driving an airplane. Because why I said this is more like this is a very beautiful dashboard because the dashboard can customize different size. For example, this is the sender. We have ignition switch, and also have the writer. We have the emergency switch and the battery indicator from lighter bottom, and there is a 2 cup holder here. And besides this, we're talking about the safety function. This car also can customize to be a low-speed vehicle. How to customize? As the golf car same, we can put the DOT front glass and put the safety belt here, and we can upgrade this brake system. The brake system on the last 2 cars I introduced is a very simple press, push. And now I operate it for you. You can see this is very easy. See, normally we use the accelerator here. This is for for moving, for accelerator like the auto car, and for braking just press this braking. And how to operate the parking? The parking for this kind of braking system is very simple. You just press the front hand. Then this parking usually for the car parking in the parking lot or on the hill you want to parking. So this is the basic function. So you can customize them. Use safety belt, DOT windshield, and also the braking system. Now we introduce you the final new golf car, a Marshall 2020 this year. This golf car have many new features, and I think everybody want to see this new golf car. So we introduce the new golf car here.
Marshall was founded in the age of requiring energy saving, environmental protection, and sustainable development. Marshall takes the opportunity to develop electric vehicles with zero emissions in the era of high oil price, electrical power revolution. In the world of energy shortage, relying on the innovative technology and excellent service, Marshall has become a leading manufacturer of electric vehicles in China. Low carbon age. Marshall electric vehicles, EV, are always with you. Products, innovative design, and varied models. Marshall Electric Vehicle Company Limited was founded in 2002 with a total investment of more than 500 million yuan. Marshall has several China production factories in Zhaoqing, Shanghai, Anhui, and Jiangsu area, in Shenzhen.
Okay, now we can see this is our new golf car in 2020 this year. This new golf car combines many industry-leading new features, and this is this year's the key power model. Now we first look at the front suspension. The front suspension here, the front suspension is different with before. Now this independent before with the suspension. The suspension can make you drive very soft and not vibration. And the rear suspension, see you can have a close shot for the new suspension. For the new suspension, we can have a closed shop.
McPherson independent suspension.
The new suspension is improved before. Now is when you drive, you can have very less power, very less force. Very less force. So vibration is very less and very comfortable. And the rear suspension, we also have independent rear suspension. So the whole car will make soft and not very hard. See, this is a very soft one, and the suspension will make you suitable. If you have a chance, you can have our car, this new model. And
are sold all over the world.
the body, we can see the body is also PP plastic. We always use this kind of material because this material is very shiny and lighter. And the lighting system in this new model, the light system all is LED, including the headlight.
Marshall also offers different accessories.
So you can see the LED is very smart, live
Marshall
headlights, the turning light,
saving energy.
And this new model, the lighter and the roof. The roof is also roof is also PP plastic injection. The ceiling, the roof, the post also aluminium tube. The post and rear post and rear post. The front post, rear post, all is aluminium. So anti-rusty, very strong anti-rusty. And the standard, we can give you the golf bag holder. The golf bag holder is bigger than any other golf car. This is can carry 12-inch golf bag. 12-inch golf bag, and this is injection, so looks very elegant. If you have compared the previous golf car, this is the steel basket. Sometimes if you want to drive, it will look a little compared to this one, a little lower than this one. This is a bigger, elegant one. And we can have the sand bottle, have the ball washer, all can combine in this rear body, rear post here. And we can see this golf car, the seat also in upgraded. The seat upgraded, you can see the seat, the leather very softer. The leather is very softer, and there is a shape, so protect the people here. Just like the auto car seat, the backrest and the seat, and also the dashboard. The dashboard we impress on many customers. The dashboard, come to the dashboard. So the dashboard we can see, we have the standard forward, reverse, bottom, hazard switch, headlight switch, battery indicator, USB port, and also we combine the stereo system here. The stereo system here, you can when you drive the car, you can enjoy the music here. The CD player, the Bluetooth control, and also you can add the two speakers at the roof, the two speakers. Now we demonstrate for you. And this also the handbar. The handbar on the roof is very close to the industry requirement. So everybody with a raining day, they can grab the handbar. Grab the handbar on here. And this is the 2-seat, also available from 4-seater, 6-seater, maximum 8-seater for this new golf car series. Remember this new golf car series? The name is DG-M2, our new model. And now we introduce you another utility model. The utility model is suitable for the people to carry the goods and also carry in the farm. Now we introduce driving the utility model here.
Moreover, Marshall is also recognized as Zhaoqing Electric Vehicle Engineering Technology Research Center and Guangdong Electric Vehicle Engineering Technology Research Center. Marshall also obtained the recognition from customers. U.S. Tomberlin granted Marshall Strong Life Support Award. Diaoyutai State Hotel sent us acknowledgement for the good performance of our product in various important occasions. What's more, Marshall is dedicated to social contributions such as donation on education and help people who suffer in disaster or earthquake.
Okay, see now this is our utility model. This utility model is based on our DHC4 model. DHC4 model, our lifted car, 4-seater. Based on this model to be modified to be a flat bed at the rear. And the driving caps, we are using the aluminium frame with the DOT front glass. And also the wiper equipped with. And this design can looks more like a utility car can drive on the road. Also, if you have a farm, you want to carry something, carry the goods, you can use this model. This model can empty the rainy day, and when you the rainy day, you can use this model. And also, and the rear body, the rear flatbed can carry 300 kilograms,
as well as
300 kilograms, and this is can remove, can open the fender.
To fulfill the customer's
So
request.
easy for the people working in the working area. Also, this is the people said this is a working car. Also, the working car, aluminium body and aluminium the platform also can have the anti-rusty feature. Now we can go inside the cab. You can have the look. It's more like the utility car, but you see, this is the we have a new function. Can hear. You can see this here. We have a USB port here, and also the warm air to blow up. Warm air. Why we have the warm air? Because when you're driving in the cooling day, you have to have the warm air to make the front windshield remove the moisture. And this is the braking system is similar like our lifted car. And also, this model can have the basic safety factor. As I always say, in the golf car, lifted car, utility car, if you want to drive on the road, you can equip with some safety factor. The safety factors, the safety accessory, including the windshield, the seat belt, and the upgrade braking system. And on the seat belt, we always supply with the E-Mark certificate seat belt. And the rim, we also, if you want to make this car more nice, you can upgrade the rim to be aluminium rim from 10-inch to 12-inch. Okay, man. 我已經講完，我想。And also, if you have any questions, you can email to us on the sales@marshall.net. Also, if you introduce interesting to our might introduce golf car, especially our new golf car series. Also, you can send your request to our sales@marshall.net. Our people will always available to answer your questions. And now, we have another people to driving the mobility scooter to introduce to you. Now, see our next
standard performance with the lithium battery power option, and according to ergonomics principles, the driver's operating space is reasonably distributed. The fully open hood, the reasonable location for battery, motor, controller, and etc. Easier to maintain. Comfortable driving experience and the simple and safe operation will make your work handier.
This is Coco from Marshall. Today, I'm very glad to introduce you our mobility scooter series. This one is our classic model. From the appearance, we can see it is a vintage design, and the motor is 800 watts, and controller is 24 voltages, 120 amperes. The brand is PG, imported from UK, and let's take a look at it. Firstly, the suspension is a single fork independent suspension. The chassis is steel, and here is a rubber bumper, and the body is made of plastic as well. The color can be painted as per customer request because we have our own painting team. So just otherwise the color code, like Pantone color code or raw color code, then we can arrange accordingly for you. These two lights is a turning lights, and this one is the hand lights. Here we also equipped a basket here, so the driver can put some tools or handbag here. This is 2 side mirrors. Here we are going to introduce the dashboard. On the dashboard, this is a charge to indicate the battery level. Then here is a hall and the 2 turning lights. This button is functioning when the scooter is out of power, because the braking system for this scooter is EM brake. So when the scooter is out of power, then we cannot push it away. But if we press this button, then we can push it very easily. So we can push to the socket and charge in time. And this round switch is for speed control. The left side means minimal speed, and the right side means maximal speed. And this rod is for speed control, and also for direction control. And here is the ignition key. The charging socket is located here. And also we have a cup holder as optional parts. The steering load also is adjustable, so it is suitable for different statures and with different weights. And here is a space for the food. There's an additional function here. This one is overload protection. When the current is more than 50 amperes, then this button will make function, and the scooter will power off. So we need to turn off the key and then press this button and turn on again. Then the scooter will work again. The batteries and the controllers are located under the seat. The seat is silver one. The armrest can go up and down request. So the driver can get on and get off the scooter very flexible. Moreover, the armrest also can be adjusted outside by adjusting this screw, so a big fat band also is suitable. Moreover, the seat is swivel, and you can go front and back forward like this. And also it is swivel. And the backrest is adjustable as well. Also the hand pillow, we can adjust the height like this. So this scooter is suitable for drivers with different stature and different height. At rear, we can see there are 2 yellow turning lights, and this one in the middle is the tail lights. Here is also a rubber bumper to protect the scooter when it is back forward. This scooter also equipped 2 anti-sliding wheels. So especially when climbing, it is double secure the safety. For this scooter, the climbing capacity is 20%. That is around 11 degrees. In total, this scooter is easy for operation, and it is with very competitive price. actually we are also promoting these models. So if you have any interest on this scooter, if there's any resorts at your area, I think it's a chance for this scooter because it is widely used in resorts for rental and also used in community for elderly people and also for some disabled people.
In the age of requiring energy
if there's any market for it, please contact with us. Our team is waiting for you.
Marshall takes the opportunity.
Next one, we will introduce you our latest mobility scooter. That is the model
in the world
coming.
Of energy shortage, relying on the innovative technology and excellent service, Marshall has become a leading manufacturer of electric vehicles in China. Low carbon age.
Here is the
Marshall
latest
electric
model.
vehicles, EV, are always with you.
The latest design mobility scooters.
Products, innovative
Let me just
design,
adjust
and
the
varied
position.
models. Marshall Electric Vehicle Company Limited
I will show you.
was
So
founded
it
in 2002
is with
a total investment
very
of
small,
more than 500 million yuan. Marshall
with
has
very
several China
small
production factories
turning
in
radius.
Zhaoqing, Shanghai, Anhui, and Jiangsu area,
And
in Shenzhen and Singapore.
This one,
Marshall has sales and marketing
this one
centers.
also is equipped
Marshall
with
occupies more than
800 watts motor.
333,000 square meters and has more than 1,600
And
employees.
the suspension,
Marshall is one of the
the
leading
suspension
high-technology China manufacturers,
independent one,
specializing in
which
research and
is
development
very
of electric vehicles,
suitable
as well as
for
accessories
rough
development,
road.
including batteries,
And
chargers,
we can see from here,
chassis,
this is
and
the
plastic
independent
covers.
suspension.
The
And the
products from
tire
Marshall
is
are sold to
12-inch
more than
one.
80 different countries in the world.
The
Marshall
body
electric
is
vehicles
made
are
of
ergonomic
molding,
and Western fashionable
here is
design.
the
Panoramic
LED
glass,
lights.
which is specially
This
used
is
in
a
sightseeing
basket,
bus, provide a broad
a
view.
removable basket.
McPherson
It is
independent
when you
suspension.
go to supermarket, you can
Guarantees
just
comfort and
press
safe
it
driving.
and just go to
Marshall has
supermarket.
11 series of electric
So
vehicles,
it's very
such as
environmental
electric
and
sanitation
easy
vehicle,
assemble and
electric
disassemble.
resort car, electric golf cart, electric patrol
So
vehicle,
here is
electric
the
fire vehicle,
Here is the
electric
dashboard,
utility vehicle,
and this
electric
handle,
forklift,
this
electric cleaning vehicle, and
this handle is
There
for
are
speed
also
control.
another 100
This
models
one
of
is
off-road
forward,
electric vehicle and equipment.
and this one is
Marshall
back
electric
forward.
vehicles are sold all over the world and are widely used in golf course,
So-
environmental and sanitation industries,
And
tourist
we know
scenic
this one
places,
is for speed,
security systems,
for direction
park and
control,
hotel
and
industries,
here's
warehouse
also a
and
high
logistic
and
fields,
low speed
shopping
switch.
mall and supermarket
Moreover,
areas.
here's a run switch
Marshall
for
also offers different
minimal
accessories
and maximal
options
speed.
that can fulfill customer
The-
requirements.
on the dashboard,
Marshall
here's
vehicles,
also a
efficiently saving energy,
turning lights and
can provide
emergency
people
switch.
with a low carbon life,
It's also a home.
safe and
The
reliable
steering
design,
rod also is
convenient and easy
adjustable,
operation, comfortable and safe
so
driving,
it's very
make it
easy
the best
to
choice
adjust.
to use as a short distance vehicle.
This enables our scooter to meet
Technology,
the drivers
leading in
with
electric
different
vehicle
stature and
industry.
different height.
in
And
the
the
era of
seats
knowledge
also
economy,
is silver one.
science and technology
It is an
constitute a primary
18-inch
productive
captain
force.
seat, so it
Marshall
looks very
follows
luxury.
independent development routine
The
and
armrest
possesses
can
key
go
technology
up
in the electric
and
vehicle
down,
industry.
so the driver can get
With
in,
assistance
get on, and
of
get off
Shenzhen
very
University,
flexible.
Tianjin
Even
University,
though
and
you are a
Harbin
big
Institute
fat
of
man,
Technology.
it is no problem
Under
because
the
the
guidance of American PPP
it is
company
adjustable
and experts
and
from China and
the
abroad,
loading capacity
Marshall
is
established a partnership with
1,070
manufacturing,
kilograms.
electronics R&D,
This seat
and electric
This
vehicle
seat
R&D.
can be
There are more than
silvered
100
360
engineers
degrees,
working in R&D department. Marshall takes the lead
and
in the point
it is
achieving
able to
the
go
perfect
forward.
match of electric
You can
control
go
system,
forward and back
which makes the
forward on a
performance
sliding.
of motor and battery obtain the best working state. Marshall utilizes
Also, the
unique chassis
Angle
preparation
for
technology,
backrest,
solve easy rusty problems.
you can handle it
Marshall also
like this
helps
one,
with
like
design
this.
and customization of various electric
The,
theme
the
vehicles
pillow, the
in a
hand
number
pillow
of China
also
and
is
overseas
adjustable.
5A scenic and famous spots.
So all of them
In an endless
enables
pursuit of
our
perfection,
scooter to
Marshall
meet
keeps the leading position
various
in the
kind of
electric vehicle
stages and
technology.
height. The controller and the batteries are located on the
Quality.
seat.
Reliable
The
quality,
standard battery
ensured by
is 2
international
pieces,
certificate.
12 voltages, 45 ampere hours,
Based on
and
the
we
quality
also have
Customers,
75
the
ampere
first.
hours
Quality
as
is the
optional.
utmost. Make continuous improvement.
And at rear, we can see
Marshall
it
uses
is
international
2
standard.
LED
control
lights,
the
it's
part
turning
quality.
lights and also the
Meanwhile,
tail lights.
Marshall carried out
In the
strict
back,
field
you can
testing
see
to
you can
ensure
see
complete
the
product reliability.
motor is 800
Marshall
watts,
has been recognized
and there's
by
also
ISO
2
9001,
anti-sliding
ISO 14001,
wheels, especially when
OSAS 18001,
you are climbing.
ISO
It can double secure the
1012,
safety.
and CE.
The
And Marshall is also the
anti-sliding
first one
wheels also
who got the European
is
EEC
adjustable,
certificate.
so it
Special
enables
equipment
to meet
manufacturer of
different
People's Republic of
different
China
slopes.
license in China, and World
Here's also
Manufacturer Identifier
4 entry
WMI
points
certificate.
on the scooter, so it can
Moreover,
when the
Marshall
disabled
received
people,
more
if they
recognition,
drive this
such as
scooter
National
to
High-Tech
the
Enterprise, famous
bus,
brand enterprises
this
in
scooter
China,
can be
famous brand
fixed on
products
the
in Guangdong
car
province.
because we already
China's export
it is
brand
already
enterprises
equipped
and
with
China products and
4
service
entry
credit,
points,
Golden
both
Enterprise.
at front and rear.
Moreover,
So
Marshall is also recognized
this scooter.
as Zhaoqing
This is
Electric
the
Vehicle Engineering
standard
Technology
configuration.
Research
We
Center
also have
and
some
Guangdong
optional
Electric
parts
Vehicle Engineering
like
Technology
sunshade
Research
cotton
Center.
and the rain cover,
Marshall also obtained
and also
recognition from
rear
customers.
shopping bag and can holder.
US Cumberland granted
Please contact
Marshall
us
Strong Light
for
Support Award.
further information.
Diao Yutai State
Here's
Hotel.
this is our
for the good
mobility
performance
scooter
of our
series.
product in various important
Following,
occasions.
we will introduce you more
more,
about our
Marshall
cleaning
is dedicated
equipments.
to social contributions, such as donation on education and help people who suffer in disaster or earthquake.
就在这个黄金那个位置嘛，稍微写一下就好。
This is our
Professional
mini
team with high efficiency.
sweeper. Actually,
Marshall Technical Service.
some customer
is an
may find
important
it is
part of the
a
four
bit
business
similar
processes.
like the mobility scooter.
Purchasing,
The
manufacturing,
most
selling,
obvious
and service.
character for this
Global
model
sales
is it's
and
very
complete
easy
after-sales
for
service.
operation.
Our Marshall's profound
This one
features
is
that Marshall persists in
forward,
providing for
and this one is
as our
back
principle
forward.
all the time.
On the dashboard,
Marshall's
it is also very
philosophy is
simple. Just
customer-oriented, creating value for customers.
just a
are the
speed
first priority of
adjuster
all management and employees.
switch,
Time
and
delivery,
also
friendly
ignition
service,
key.
and sincere care for
In the
customers
in the
are our
front,
business ethic.
here's also
There are
a
over 30
basket.
offices in different
So,
provinces and
so the
global online
so the driver can put
as well as
his
toll-free
cup
number in
holder
China.
and
At the same time,
some other
Marshall
tools
is a
in
professional,
the
highly qualified
basket.
technician team for
The
after-sales
the
service
mops.
to fulfill the
We have
customer's
mops
request
both
in time.
at front and the
Through
rear.
continuous
The
improvement
front
for
one
technology
is
and management. Marshall
900
will bring not only
millimeters
more
and the
pleasant
rear one
experience,
is
but
600
also
millimeters.
frank and convenient after-sales service.
And here we will give you an introduction about the operation. Firstly, we will lift down. We will lift down the rear mops. Then we will turn on the key and lift down the front mops.
Marshall Electric
Then we will
make
choose
your life
the
more colorful and
switch and go, and it's time for working. During our process to cleaning the floor, if there's some sponges on the floor, we can increase some pressure on the mop to better help clean the floor. And once we finish it, we can lift up the front and the rear mops and then turn off the key. If some customer may curious if I'm very tall, how can I use this? How can I use this sweeper? It's no problem. No matter if you are tall or you are small, you are small guys, you can adjust the steering rod, so it is very flexible. You don't it's unnecessary to worry about your height. And even if you want cleaning at night, it's also no problem because we have a light
Marshell
here.
Four-wheel,
It is
2.5-ton electric counterbalance
enough to
forklift
work
truck,
at night.
CPD 25M.
So
it is made with the latest
this
technical
one
design.
is
The cover
equal
parts are
to
all-in-one metal
5
stamping
people,
part,
5
artistic and practical. form and reliable.
If you have a shopping mall and you have 5 cleaners,
this
and
forklift
each
truck
one
has
with
high standard
$5
performance. With the
a
lithium
month,
battery power option, and according to ergonomics principles, the driver's operating
you
space
only
is
need
reasonably
one
distributed.
sweeper and
The
one
fully
driver.
open hood, the reasonable location
This
for battery,
sweeper
motor,
is less than
controller, and
1,000. Say
Easier to
it is
maintain.
1,000,
Comfortable
and
driving
plus one
experience
driver,
and
it
the
is
simple and safe operation to
1,500.
make your work handier.
But if you use a cleaner, a month you will need $2,500. So if you launch in a sweeper and one driver, it will save you a lot cost. So just contact us. We will offer you a competitive price and save you some costs. We also have some coupons for you. Just email us or leave a message. Our team is waiting for you. This is our sweepers. Some customer is wondering, do you only have sweepers? Of course not. We have full range of cleaning equipments. Now is coming the cleaning machine, sweepers, scrubbers. This one, the model number is DQX6. It is a ride-on automatic scrubber. The cleaning efficiency is 3,200 square meters per hour, and the cleaning width is 600 millimeters. This one is equal with 8 cleaners, so it is far more competitive to launch in this model than hiring 8 or 6 cleaners. Just take action and contact with us. We are waiting for you. Next, let me briefly introduce this model to you. Here's a working platform. On this platform, here is a forward and back forward switch and a suction button and a brush button. This one, there are some advantages compared with others. Firstly, we have 65 liters water tank, which is 20% more than others. So that enable this machine to work a long time. And the recovery tank cover is very large, so it's very convenient to cleaning the recovery tank and avoid breeding bacteria. Here is also a floating sensor to prevent the motor to be damaged. And here at rear is a suction pipe box. The one more advantages about this model is the ultra quiet design. So you can avoid the noise during operation. It brings you a quiet and comfortable driving experience. Now I will introduce you the operation steps. Firstly, before we turn on the switch, turn on the ignition key, we should make sure if the brush has been installed correctly, and then we can turn on the key and lift down. This bar is to lift down the brushes. Lift down the brushes and turn on the button for water spraying. Here is a button to adjust the water spraying level. If the floor is smooth like ours, then you only need a little water spraying. But if it is rough road, you should turn it to high level. After this, the third step is to press the suction button, and then you can press the forward direction and press the accelerator. Then this machine will be in working. After you finish the first step, we should turn off the water spraying and then lift up the brush. Thirdly, continue to driving for 2 to 5 meters, and then turn off the suction key and lift up the switch and turn off the ignition key. So the working is finished. This is our medium-size auto functional scriber. Later on, we will introduce you our latest design for scriber. This model is our latest design for multifunctional automatic scriber. The model number is DQX86B. If any time, please contact with us. And here is at front. Firstly, we can see here a bumper to protect the machine working. There's also a light here, so you can walk bus at day and night. This is a working platform. On the working platform,
environmental protection and sustainable development. Marshall takes the
load
opportunity
and unload the brushes automatically, so we can release the hands.
Electrical power
This is one of the most obvious advantages for this model, and the second one advantages is the very large water tank. It is 150 liters, which also enables this machine to work a long time.
Innovative design
And thirdly,
and varied models.
the recovery
Marshall
tank
Electric
cover
Vehicle
is
Company
very
Limited
large, so
was founded in
this tank
2002
can be cleaned
with a total
very
investment of more than 500
very
million
easily
yuan.
and very
Marshall
convenient.
has several China production factories
So the
in
breeding
Zhaoqing,
can avoid
Shanghai,
breeding bacteria.
and Jiangsu area, in Shenzhen
Thirdly,
and Singapore.
This
Marshall has sales and
machine-
marketing centers. Marshall
This machine
occupies
with
more than
a
333,000
working
square
efficiency
meters
of
and has more than
5,000
1,600
square
employees.
meters per hour,
Marshall is one of the
and the
leading
cleaning
high
width
technology China
is
manufacturers
860
specializing in research and
millimeters.
development of
So
electric
this
vehicles,
one is
as well as
equal to
accessories development, including
8
batteries,
cleaners.
charger, controller,
So
chassis,
it is
and
another
plastic
machine
cover.
which can
The
help you
products from
saving
Marshall
a lot of
are sold
costs.
to more than 80 different countries in the world. Marshall electric vehicles are
The
ergonomic
first one
and Western
advantages
fashionable
is
design,
the
panoramic
quiet
glass, which is specially
ultra-quiet
used
design,
in sightseeing
which
bus, provide a
enables
broad
you
view.
with
McPherson
high
independent suspension
efficiency walking, and at the
guarantees
same time
comfort and
will
safe driving.
avoid you from
Marshall
harsh
has 11 series
noise.
of electric vehicles.
So your
such as
cleaner
electric
can
sanitation
working in a
vehicle,
very
electric
quiet
resort
and
car,
leisure environment.
electric golf cart, electric patrol
Now
vehicle,
let's
electric fire vehicle,
from the
electric utility vehicle,
board.
electric
On the
forklift,
dashboard, here is
electric cleaning vehicle, and so
load
on.
and unload
There are
brushes,
also another 100 models of
and
off-road
also
electric
here's
vehicle and equipment.
a button for
Marshall
suction
electric vehicles
and water
are
spraying.
sold all over the world and are widely used
There's,
in golf course, environmental and
There's
sanitation
the ignition key
industries,
also located
tourist
on
scenic
the
place,
dashboard.
security
Once
systems,
more,
park and
here's
hotel industries,
emergency
warehouse and
switch
logistic
as well. So
shopping
if
malls
there's
and supermarket areas.
anything happen inside,
Marshall also
you just
offers
press
different
this
accessories and
emergency
options
switch,
that
then
can
the
fulfill
machine
customer
will stop.
requirements.
This is a
Marshall vehicles,
double secure
efficiently saving energy,
for the safety
can
during
provide
the
people
operation.
with a low carbon life. Safe
Following,
and reliable
we
design,
will show you the
convenient and easy
operation
operation,
steps.
comfortable
Firstly,
and safe driving.
we should
Make it the best
check
choice to use
the
as a short
brush
distance
has
vehicle.
been installed correctly, and
Technology,
then
leading in electric vehicle industry.
we can turn on the key and
in the
switch
era of knowledge economy,
and
science
select
and technology
direction
constitute the
to
primary
forward.
productive force.
Thirdly,
Marshall
we
follows
can
independent
lift
development
down
routine
the
and possesses
brush
key technology in
and
the
then
electric vehicle industry.
turn on the
With
water
assistance
spraying.
of Shenzhen University, Tianjin
If
University,
the
and
floor
Harvard Institute
is
of
smooth,
Technology.
just keep
Under the guidance of
the
American
low
D&D
water
company and
spraying.
experts from
But
China and
if
abroad,
if
Marshall
the road
established
if the
Department of
floor
Food,
is rough,
Manufacturing,
just
Electronics R&D,
turn to
and
the
electric
high
vehicle
level
R&D.
water spraying.
There are more than 100 experienced engineers
Next
working
step
in R&D department.
is
Marshall
to
takes the lead
lift
in
down
deploying
the
and achieving
switch
the perfect match
and
of electric control
press
system.
press
makes
the
the performances
accelerator.
of motor and
Then
battery
machine
obtain the
is
best working
in
state.
working
Marshall
working
utilized
condition.
unique chassis
And once
pre-preparation
finish
solves easy
the
rusting problems.
working.
Marshall also helped to do design
Firstly,
and customization
we
of
should
various
lift
electric
up
clean
the
vehicles
brush.
in a number of China and overseas
And then
5A seating
Continue
and
to drive
In an endless
2
pursuit
to
of
5
perfection.
meters.
Marshall keeps
And
the leading
the-
position
then,
in the electric vehicle technology.
Lift up the switch and turn
Quality.
turn off the key.
Insured by international certificate.
Till now, the
Based on the quality goal,
operation
customer is the first.
being
Quality
introduced
is the
to you.
utmost. Make continuous improvement.
Have
Marshall
any
uses international standards.
demands for it,
control the
or
parts
if you
quality.
have any business
Meanwhile,
in
Marshall carried out strict field
parking
testing.
in park on the
to
ground
ensure
parking
complete
roads
product
or
reliability.
supermarket
Marshall
or
has been
logistics
recognized
center,
by ISO
just contact with
9001,
us, because
ISO
this machine
14001,
is the
OSAT
one which can
18001,
help you save a lot of
ISO
cost.
1012, and CE. And Marshall
Just
is also
contact
the
with
first
us
one
for
who got the
information.
European EEC certificate.
Um,
Special equipment
This is
manufacturer
a
of people
live
who
show
public
today
transit
from
licenses in
Marshall
China.
Electric Vehicle.
And World
Thank you guys.
Manufacturer
Thank you for your time.
Identifier,
See you
WMI certificate.
next time. Bye.
Moreover, Marshall has received more recognition, such as National High-Tech Enterprise, famous brand enterprises in China, famous brand products in Guangdong Province, China's export brand name enterprises, and China Product and Service Credit, Golden Enterprise. Moreover, Marshall is also recognized as Zhaoqing Electric Vehicle Engineering Technology Research Center and Guangdong Electric Vehicle Engineering Technology Research Center. Marshall also obtained the recognition from customers. U.S. Tomberlin granted Marshall Strong Life Support Award. Diao Yutai State Hotel sent us acknowledgement for the good performance of our product in various important occasions. What's more, Marshall is dedicated to social contributions such as donation on education and help people who suffered in disaster or earthquake. Service, professional team with high efficiency. Marshall Technical Service is an important part of the 4 business processes: purchasing, manufacturing, selling, and service. Global sales network and complete after-sales service are Marshall's profound features that Marshall persists in providing for you as our principle all the time. Marshall philosophy is customer-oriented. Creating value for customers are the first priority of all management and employees. Timely delivery, friendly service, and sincere care for customers are our business ethic. There are over 30 offices in different provinces and global online support, as well as toll-free number in China. At the same time, Marshall has a professional and highly qualified technician team for after-sales service to fulfill the customer's request in time. Through continuous improvement for technology and management, Marshall will bring not only more pleasant experience, but also timely and convenient after-sales service.
We only have one world. We have to protect it. Marshall wants to work together with everyone to build up a clean and a green and a beautiful world.
Marshall aims at working with everyone to build up a safe, green, and joyful world. Marshall Electric Vehicle will make your life more colorful and beautiful.
Marshall 4-wheel 2.5-ton electric counterbalance forklift truck CPD 25M. It is made with the latest technical design. The cover parts are all-in-one metal stamping part, artistic and practical, form and reliable, provide you excellent operating performance. This forklift truck has high standard performance. With the lithium battery power option and according to ergonomics principles, the driver's operating space is reasonably distributed. The fully open hood, the reasonable location for battery, motor, controller, and etc. Easier to maintain. Comfortable driving experience and the simple and safe operation will make your work handier.
Marshall was founded in the age of requiring energy saving, environmental protection, and sustainable development. Marshall takes the opportunity to develop electric vehicles with zero emissions in the era of high oil price, electrical power revolution. In the world of energy shortage, relying on the innovative technology and excellent service, Marshall has become a leading manufacturer of electric vehicles in China. Low carbon age. Marshall electric vehicles, EV, are always with you. Products, innovative design, and varied models. Marshall Electric Vehicle Company Limited was founded in 2002 with a total investment of more than 500 million yuan. Marshall has several China production factories in Zhaoqing, Shanghai, Anhui, and Jiangsu area, in Shenzhen and Singapore. Marshall has sales and marketing centers. Marshall occupies more than 333,000 square meters and has more than 1,600 employees. Marshall is one of the leading and high-technology China manufacturers, specializing in research and development of electric vehicle, as well as accessories development, including batteries, charger, controller, chassis, and plastic covers. The products from Marshall are sold to more than 80 different countries in the world. Marshall electric vehicles are ergonomics and Western fashionable designed. Panoramic glass, which is specially used in sightseeing bus, provide a broad view. McPherson independent suspension system guarantees comfortable and safe driving. Marshall has 11 series of electric vehicles, such as electric sanitation vehicle, electric resort car, electric golf cart, electric patrol vehicle, electric fire vehicle, electric utility vehicle, electric forklift, electric cleaning vehicle, and so on. There are also another 100 models of off-road electric vehicle and equipment. Marshall electric vehicles are sold all over the world and are widely used in golf course, environmental and sanitation industries, tourist scenic place, security system, park and hotel industries, warehouse and logistic fields, shopping mall and supermarket areas. Marshall also offers different accessories and options that can fulfill customer requirements. Marshall vehicles, efficiently saving energy, can provide people with a low-carbon life. Safe and reliable design, convenient and easy operation, comfortable and safe driving, make it the best choice to use as a short-distance vehicle. Technology, leading in electric vehicle industry. In the era of knowledge economy, science and technology constitute a primary productive force. Marshall follows independent development routine and possesses key technology in the electric vehicle industry, with assistance of Shenzhen University, Tianjin University, and Harbin Institute of Technology. Under the guidance of American D&P Company and experts from China and abroad, Marshall established Department of Tooling Mold, Manufacturing, Electronics R&D, and Electric Vehicle R&D. There are more than 100 experienced engineers working in R&D department. Marshall takes the lead in achieving the perfect match of electric control system, which makes the performances of motor and battery obtain the best working state. Marshall utilizes unique chassis pre-preparation technology, solved easy rusty problems. Marshall also helped to do design and customization of various electric theme vehicles in a number of China and overseas 5A scenic and famous spots. In an endless pursuit of perfection, Marshall keeps the leading position in the electric vehicle technology. Quality. Reliable quality ensured by international certificate. Based on the quality goal, customer is the first, quality is the utmost. Make continuous improvement. Marshall uses international standard to control the parts quality. Meanwhile, Marshall carried out strict field testing to ensure complete product reliability. Marshall has been recognized by ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OSAS 18001, ISO 1012, and CE. And Marshall is also the first one who got the European EEC certificate, Special Equipment Manufacturer of People's Republic of China license in China, and World Manufacturer Identifier WMI certificate. Moreover, Marshall has received more recognition, such as National High-Tech Enterprise, Famous Brand Enterprises in China, Famous Brand Products in Guangdong Province, China's Export Brand Name Enterprises, and China Product and Service Credit Golden Enterprise. Moreover, Marshall is also recognized as Zhaoqing Electric Vehicle Engineering Technology Research Center and Guangdong Electric Vehicle Engineering Technology Research Center. Marshall also obtained the recognition from customers. U.S. Tomberlin granted Marshall Strong Life Support Award. Diaoyutai State Hotel sent us acknowledgement for the good performance of our product in various important occasions. What's more, Marshall is dedicated to social contributions such as donation on education and help people who suffered in disaster or earthquake. Service, professional team with high efficiency. Marshall Technical Service is an important part of the 4 business processes: purchasing, manufacturing, selling, and service, global sales network, and complete after-sales service are Marshall's profound features that Marshall persists in providing for you as our principle all the time. Marshall philosophy is customer-oriented. Creating value for customers are the first priority of all management and employees. Timely delivery, friendly service, and sincere care for customers are our business ethic. There are over 30 offices in different provinces and global online support, as well as toll-free number in China. At the same time, Marshall has a professional and highly qualified technician team for after-sales service to fulfill the customer's request in time. Through continuous improvement for technology and management, Marshall will bring not only more pleasant experience, but also timely and convenient after-sales service.
We only have one word. We have to protect it. Marshall wants to work together with everyone to build up a clean and a green and a beautiful world.
Marshall aims at working with everyone to build up a safe, green, and joyful world. Marshall Electric Vehicle will make your life more colorful